Hello, hi everyone. So I was giving four tricks. I was talking about the four tricks in the last videos, but I saw that it has taken only three tricks. So I'm going to talk about the last tricks and what is the four tricks. And the last trick is about speaking. Speaking is very important. If you are not speaking, then you can't improve your English. So whether you are listening, whether you are writing, or whether you are reading, but the most important part is speaking. So how to speak, where to speak, and with whom to speak. So what are the important tricks and tips that I'm going to tell you. The first important that many of the students tell, or many of the people or my friend tells, that I'm not getting I'm not getting anybody to speak with. So what to do, with whom to speak? So I have a very nice idea about them. Is, do you have mirror in your home? So if you have the mirror in your home, then you need to practice in front of mirror. And mirror is your best friend, because it is going to tell you about everything, not about your communication skills, not about your language skills, but about your body language as well. So if you are speaking in front of mirror, you need to check out your smile, you need to check out your eye contact, you need to check out your chest. The chest must face the guest. So when you are speaking, then you must put attention of your guest to whom you are speaking. So it is only mirror that is going to give you complete communication skills. So what do I mean when I say communication skills? Communication skills and language skills are two different things. So language is English. So if I want to improve my English, I need to take care of my language skills, English skills, and other part is body language skills. So if you are speaking language with your body language, that becomes communication skills. So when you are practicing in front of mirror, that is going to give you the complete communication skills, that is going to teach you about the complete communication skills. Like you practice in front of mirror, then you must need to take care that where I'm looking, to whom I'm looking at, or where is my chest, do I have smile on my